Hi, my name's Jay Mootz. I'm a professor at the McGeorge School of Law, and I'm going to be presenting on the topic of critical race theory and affirmative action. You've probably heard about critical race theory. It's supposed to be scary, but I will assure you in my talk, critical race theory is nothing to be afraid of. We'll go through what critical race theory really is, not how it's been presented in the media, and I'll apply it to one of the hottest issues of today, affirmative action, as the Supreme Court gets ready to overrule yet another important case. Hope to see you then.